Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020, jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this tub and others like it if we have them in stock. We do sell them very quickly, so don't pass them if you're thinking about it. If you're considering it in a few months, no worries, just give us a call when you're looking. We will try our best to find you one. Okay, I'm going to say this is an A-. There's absolutely no rust on it. There's a little bit of dings here and there. Excuse me, I've done several of these videos. We buy these Jeeps running and driving almost. Sometimes they have a little bit of motor issues, but we do not buy wrecks. That allows us to part everything out and warranty everything. There's the tubs I've done. That's why I'm out of breath. That's a frame out there. It's just not a Jeep frame, Dodge frame. So we do have Jeep frames though. A couple of the TJ ones left. These are getting harder to get. We used to sit on TJ frame or tubs. Frames we always sold, but tubs we used to sit on, and now we have two of them in stock, and they just came in. So this is Sahara. It's a 98. There's a couple things that are a little different about Sahara. They will work for any of the TJs up to 01. Actually, TJs are, so TJ tubs 97 to 01, no matter what edition they are. You can use them on the 06s, but they do have a couple more holes in them that you need to kind of work around. Otherwise, they'll bolt right to the frames, not a big deal. But Sahara, if you have a Sahara and you're replacing a Sahara, it is much easier to use a Sahara tub, especially if you plan on using the trim pieces. All these little tabs here, they're kind of bent in right now. This is a little bent here, this will come out. But all these little tabs here and the extra holes you get up through the side of your rocker underneath your door are all for that trim they did on those Saharas. So the main thing I want to show you on this guy is going to be the pockets. Some people call them torque boxes. I just call them the frame rails, the tub frame rails. So they go from your tub, obviously, to your frame. They bolt everything down. Having clean ones where these pockets aren't collapsed or rusted out makes doing a frame off or even just a replacement tub a much easier process. They're nearly impossible to fix. You can change them. You can cut out all of them and re-weld them back in. Not a huge job if you're a good body guy. I just soon get you a good tub that doesn't have any rust in it. As you can see, this guy is very clean. Any areas that the paint has worn off on those corners, you're going to get a little bit of that, well, not really rust, but kind of an oxidation of metal. But back area, these are also areas that mount to your frame. Okay, nice and clean there. Those areas there, those are your two that go up underneath your gas tank and go down. The gas, the heat shield is very dinged up on this one. Normally we just take them off. This one didn't get pulled. The forklift has done its wonders on that little tin metal. Okay, so don't worry, it does bolt off. It's easy to do, and we normally don't include them anyway, so you'll get this one and you can bend it back if you want or just scrap it. There's the passenger side torque box frame rail down through here, also very clean, and then all your tabs in the Sahara edition. Okay, let me lower it down and show you the top side of it. Also important. I think the bottom's more important, but if you have a nice clean top, it's just equally as nice, and this one is very clean as well. So down here, all right, so firewall nice clean. We don't buy we do not buy wrecked Jeeps. We buy running and driving Jeeps. Most of them come in like that. I might have already said that. If I did, I apologize. I'm going a little stir crazy after doing so many of these today. So cowl area nice clean. Obviously you'll have your top cowl piece that bolts on up here. We sell those as well. There's your windshield frame mounting area, nice clean, no rust there. Down to your rocker, lower rocker on your passenger side. That's really, so basically from here all the way here, let's keep going with it. There's a couple deep scratches there, nothing terrible. The corner, windshield mount, tailgate hinge mounts. Back through here, the reason I'm showing you this, I'll tell you in a second. Go back, keep on coming. All the way around, that one obviously is a little bit in there, as we can see from the bottom, and then up. Okay, the reason I showed you that is because that's all straight sheet metal, literally. There's not a lot of body work to be done on this thing, if anything. Maybe a little bit of cleanup. The floors are solid as well. I just washed it, so it's got a little water in it, but you can see that come out. A little of the paint wearing through there. Definitely clean that up, but nothing to be concerned with rotting out. That side is just as well. That right there is pushed up. You want to bang that back down. That's probably where the fork got into a little bit. And back there were your roll bar mounts. These are all nice and clean. A lot of times those break off when we don't pull them right. And my employees get a little bit spacey. So this thing had a really good thick layer of mud / dirt on it, and it preserved it really well. It was kind of a pain in the ass to clean. I still see that's kind of what was on it, almost like a little bit of moss. Came from the West Coast, as all of our Jeeps do. And yeah, that's that. I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to keep this video as short as I possibly can because I have dial-up out here in the country. We are in our new yard, which is really cool. We need to fill it now. Mainly a Wrangler yard, but we'll do the Cherokees as well. And yeah, we got about 10 acres out here. We got an upper lot, lower lot. The house sits on it. We're here all the time. We really appreciate taking a look at this tub and following us over the years. We've been doing this for about 15 years. I started when I was about 20, give you an idea how old I am. I think that's about it. Questions, comments, concerns, anything I missed, please feel free to give us a call. That's not our intention whatsoever. That's why we do these videos, and you'll see some photos in this ad as well. We can only upload 12 photos. That's kind of why I like to do videos, so you can see it as if you were here in person. But super clean Sahara tub. You won't be disappointed with it. And we do ship these fully crated, so they're nice and protected when they get to you. Okay, jeepsunlimited.net, that is our website. You can purchase this tub directly through there, or you can give us a call. We have no care in the world which way you want to go with it. Sometimes you'll see these on eBay. They usually are a little bit higher because of the eBay fees. So definitely, if you watch this video on YouTube or come off of eBay, take a look at the site, or at least call us. We can usually save you a little bit that way. We have a really good moving sale going on right now. The tub's already moved, so not a huge sale, but it's a discount. We don't discount our tubs very often, so we appreciate you taking a look.